cervix and, of course, prostate?
The real cause of cancer is actually not known, right? Because people's bodies behave differently. And like if we take, let me talk about lung cancer. I think there was a gentleman who talked about that their father smoked for long, but they never got lung cancer. But there could be other reasons why he may not have gotten lung cancer despite of that long period of exposure. Some things can actually prevent somebody from getting lung cancer. One can be the diet. If somebody takes a high vitamin C, has been known to be sort of protective, and one does not get any lung cancer that way. So like for prostate, again, a lot of it tends to be familial. It tends to have a genetic cause. And the genetic cause will be at the DNA level. So what are the causes? What could cause these changes within the DNA level? Somebody could be born like that. Sometimes it could be exposures to maybe a lot of radiation. We do get radiation from around us, from the sun, sometimes from even the examinations we go. And one of the things we try to restrict is exposing our children to a lot of radiation, like especially like CT scans. That can give a lot of radiation to the child. So we try to reduce that amount of radiation to the child so that the time interval whereby they can have that cancer, which is usually 20 to 30 years, may now express itself in that child's lifetime. So those are some of the things that could actually cause it. But people behave differently. And another thing we have to admit is somebody having a very positive attitude, so that even when there is cancer and they are willing and they're planning to fight it, they're more likely actually to be a survivor than one who gives up very easily. So there are very many factors that can determine how the course of that cancer will go.
Asante sana Daktari Gladys. Kwa hivi sasa tunaelekea katika studio nyingine tuweze kusikia sauti kutoka kwa serikali. Tuungane naye Christine pamoja na Sam Gituko.
Right, thank you so much, Nimrod and Vicky. And here in the studio we have 4 gentlemen who are still expecting the arrival of the CS for Health, who is in the building. That is Nakhumicha Wafula.